Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at here is a capture page, or one of the capture pages that I use to promote my primary business online. Now this video is about a marketing system, capture pages, and your primary business. Now, excuse me, if you have a business that you're promoting online, you need capture pages and you need a marketing system that connects with those capture pages, whereas that you can send your subscribers autoresponder messages each and every day or every other day that will promote your business to your subscribers. Now with the system or marketing system I use, you have unlimited capture pages. You have unlimited autoresponders. I said unlimited capture pages, but you have quite a few capture pages that you can use over and over again with different autoresponder messages to promote whatever business that you may have online or that you are promoting online. And this is just one of them. And I'm going to show you the marketing system. This is the Power Lead system, which I promote my business by each and every day. And with this Power Lead system, you have capture pages that you can use to promote your business. And your business might be Avon, it might be Ameriplan, it might be Tahitian on it, whatever it may be, you can use these capture pages. And the system itself promotes itself once you introduce people to the marketing system that I use each and every day. It's the Power Lead system. And each and every day you can promote your capture pages with whatever business that you have or promoting. You can use these capture pages to do so. I know I have said that, but I can't express it enough. The money is in the list. This is the way you build your list, through capture pages. Okay, let's look at the autoresponder messages that will go out on your behalf. All of these are funnels that you use that can go out for you on your behalf. When you choose a capture page, when you choose a domain, you have to have a domain. Mine is Market with Marlon, and you can use any domain. As you can see, all of these are my domains and subdomains. And I can choose either one of them, or I can build another domain and start promoting another business per se, if I would like. And once I choose that domain, all I have to do is go down and choose a capture page to go with it. Let's just create a subdomain right quick. Manage subdomains, and right here I'm just going to call it test2, and I'm going to click create, and then I will click for an existing web pages. Of course, you can make your own web pages or copy a web page and make it your own particular page. Okay, I have created my subdomain. Now I'm going to go down here and choose a capture page to promote my business by. I'm going to choose this one right here. No, I don't want that one. Go back over to web pages. I'm going to go down and I'm going to choose one that will allow prospects, subscribers to put in their email address. Right here it says watch a free video, former MLM failure reveals secret to $1,000 per month in 28 days by enrolling one person daily with social media. And then I will go back. I choose that. I like that. I would just choose this one. I could promote it where they can put name and email, or they can put only email only, and they can put name, email, and phone. So I select the email only, and I will go down to the bottom, and I will save my choice. Now, that's my capture page that I chose. And as you can see, test 2, Market with Marlon, that's my domain. Now I will choose a sales page. This is the page viewed by your website visitors after your landing page, after they put their information inside of the capture page that you just created. You will go down here and put in a sales page. I like for people to see the hangout, so I'll just select this one, use this one, and I will click on that to show you what it looks like. And this is all representing me and my primary business. Once that they look at the hangout, they can decide or make a decision to join up, or put in that they can join up, or they can just discard it if they want to, but they will be receiving messages. It's not coming up so quick this morning. That's why I was stalling, pausing rather, not stalling. But anyway, here's another one. That I will let you see. They could see this as soon as they put their information in. They will. This is another page that I created with my own video, and you can do all this in the Power Lead system. This is all representing whatever business that you are promoting. It doesn't have to be the Power Lead system. It could be whatever business that you have. You can make tags up under this capture page, excuse me, or this sales page. And you can put whatever you want down there from your video, and we will show you how to place your video inside of your capture pages and all. This is the conclusion of building your own capture pages through the Power Lead system and building a contact list. You need messages to go out to those subscribers. You need a capture page. You need sale pages, and all of this will represent whatever you are promoting online. Discover amazing secret that led me to $1,000 per month in 60 days. And after they put their information in there, the Power Lead system will send them to the best funnel that you need to promote whatever business that you are promoting. This is just an illustration of different capture pages that I use. That's Frank Calabro, my sponsor in the Power Lead system. And the Power Lead system by itself is a great affiliated program where you can you don't even have to have a business opportunity. You can make it your business opportunity, and you can start by a free trial, or you can just sign up with Lead Lightning, which is the start of Power Lead system, for $7 one-time fee. Now at the bottom of this video, I'm going to put Frank's link, which representing me, Market with Marlon, and you will receive messages on how to get started yourself. Click on the link below. I'm Marlon Carter, a real person. You can call me, you can email me, and I will get back with you. And you all have a good day or night. It's been a plum-pleasing pleasure as usual.